year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our
Oh, Royals, the Holiday Cinema series continues on in the space I'm calling Jack Frost. I'm going to give you a tour of my family room, and you too will soon see why I coined it Jack Frost. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. I'm on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful.
Well, there you have it, guys. Jack Frost. And as you can see, like the movie, this space is full of the masculine energy, from the dry bar to the TV to the lights and all things in between. And it was all inspired by the showstopper itself, that is the snowman, or Frosty the Snowman themed tree, hence the name Jack Frost. I felt it would be the perfect title for this space and a perfect play on words for the holiday cinema series, and a wonderful tribute to the kings and young kings and up-and-coming princess in my life. I love each and every one of them dearly, and there is a cute little snowman nestled within this tree to commemorate each one. A whopping total of 29 snowmen adorn this beauty, and I absolutely love it. From the wall decor to the pillow style, and everything gives me that Jack Frost look and feel that I was going for. So details of this space, you guys: the sofa is from Ashley Furniture. The black and silver pillow covers are from Monet Home Decor, as well as the Mongolian round one. The throw is from Z Gallery. The pillow covers are from Lynette Lepore, and all inserts are from Amazon, which I will have linked in my Amazon store. The window treatments, you guys, which blend perfectly with this color scheme, are from Home Goods. The wall decor on this wall is from Inspire Me Home Decor. The fabulous lights surrounding the TV are part of a recent collaboration with Vaunt Lighting, as well as the fireplace was a collaboration with Causeway. And this space is definitely giving me all of the masculine energy that I wanted in the space. The ottoman is from Amazon along with the rug. And the cute little nutcracker is compliments of my beautiful sister, Robin. She is a content creator, and she gifted me with that a couple of years ago, and it has set center stage under some tree of some sort in my home ever since, and I absolutely love it. Now, details of the tree, you guys, is in a different video, and I will have that video linked below because I did that in a special presentation, and it will give you all the details of the ornaments, ribbons, trees, the whole nines. Here is a night view, guys. I absolutely love the cozy vibe that is created in this space. It is a nice, warm, and cozy setting for a perfect family night or date night in. And there is that cute little nutcracker again, you guys. How gorgeous is it? And it is perfectly adorned in the same coordinating colors. It just worked out. When something is supposed to be, honey, it'll just be. If this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full, and I do mean full, of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you all come along and be a part of this journey, as well as additional journeys ahead. To my tried and true and my brand new boos, you already know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Guys, click those notification bells because the holiday cinema is moving full steam ahead, and there will be another upload on tomorrow, and you don't want to miss the space that I'll be sharing there. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Guys, as I mentioned, I have an Amazon store that it will be linked also, and you can shop until you drop for amazing holiday decor as well as Christmas items. So click that link and enjoy. Now, guys, I'm going to go because there's more editing and all of those things to do. So until I come back, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.